Welcome to our stand. This is the garden tractor and rider section here at Nampo. So we've got our P525D diesel articulating mower with a flail mower in front. We have our R316TX all-wheel drive, also articulating mower, very neat cut. You have your Z460 for your bigger areas, 15,000 squares up until about 30,000 roughly. You have your Z248F, which would then be for gardens, small fields, rugby fields maybe. Then you got your lawn tractors. Your lawn tractors is for your gardens. There's the TS354 as well as your TS138L. TS354, which is a garden tractor. So anything up and from 5,000 to about 8,000 square meters can be cut with this. You have your TS138, which is anything from 0 to 5,000 square meters for your garden. Makes the cut much easier and more enjoyable. If you need any more information, come and visit us at our stall, or you can contact any nearest dealer or go to the website husqvarna.co.za and check out your dealer locator.